Wall Street and the idea of ethical investing may seem directly opposed to each other, especially after the 2008 global financial crisis, oxymorons, if you will. But some Wall Street titans say they intend to create centers of socially conscious, ethical, or sustainable banking. Shraysi Tandon has the story.
Global financiers are starting to get serious about social responsibility. Companies such as Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs are creating new platforms for clients who want to invest not just for profits, but also for the greater good of society. Earlier this month, Morgan Stanley launched the Morgan Stanley Institute for Sustainable Investing. The firm plans to make $1 billion available to improve affordable housing units. The bank is also looking to attract $10 billion in client assets to fund projects that are supposed to have beneficial outcomes for the public. CEO of Morgan Stanley's new division, Audrey Choi, says it's imperative for Wall Street to lend a helping hand.
Capital markets have actually a very important role to play in addressing some of the largest global challenges that are out there. As we look ahead to the globe rocketing towards 9 billion people on the planet and the explosive needs that's going to come with that in terms of food, housing, education, healthcare, we really believe that government and philanthropy cannot meet those challenges alone.
Recently, Goldman Sachs launched a $250 million social impact fund to invest in projects that improve the conditions of disadvantaged communities across the U.S. Goldman Sachs CEO Lloyd Blankfein says social impact bonds are, quote, an innovative approach to harness private sector financing for important public initiatives. Some Wall Street critics dismiss these initiatives as thinly disguised public relations efforts to polish reputations badly tarnished by the 2008 financial meltdown. But those at the helm of these projects say they're mainly responding to investor demand.
We see very, very powerful demand curves and needs out there for things like clean energy, food, housing, and education. And we really think that we have a very important role to play. And so we do think that banks and financial institutions have a really important role to play, not just in the functioning of the overall economy, but also in how investors choose to target their money.
A growing number of investors want to put their money to work in a more socially responsible way. For Wall Street, though, this is still a business opportunity, a way to profit from those investors who now have one hand on their wallet and another hand on their heart. Shraysi Tandon, CCTV, New York.